Hello, welcome to BestTechLearn channel. Today we are going to learn about what are the machine families and machine types which are there in the compute engine. Uh, compute engine module. So now we are going to see how many types of machine families are there and what are the machine types, how to configure it in a VM instance. That and all we can see now. So before going to the topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now we'll move into the topic. See here we have right now we have four types of machine families are there. Those are general purpose and compute optimized and memory optimized, then accelerator optimized. There are four types. So what at which situation we are going to use which one we are going to choose which machine family, that we are going to see in detail right now. So if you have a small kind of web applications or it's kind of a dev or reg environments, if you wanted to create a virtual machine and balance of resources, then you have to opt for general purpose machine family. If you have high performance and heavy workloads related to gaming applications, if you have, for example, gaming applications, if you wanted to create a virtual machine, then you have to opt for compute optimized. If you have large memory types of databases or in-memory databases, if you have in our application, and then you have to go for a memory optimized. If you are going to your application is related to AI or ML task, machine learning related task, then you have to choose for hardware related to accelerate optimized, which means the GPUs, general processing units, we can use it here. So now we are going to see what are the versions and generations for each kind of machine family we have. So see here I have just taken a few examples which are related to general purpose or for other machine families as well. So if you see here, I've just taken four examples like general purpose. Under that, we have N1, N2, N2D, E2. What is this 1 and 2 and 3 and so on? Okay, so this 1, 2, this numbering indicates a generation. So at the time of initial, whenever they created, they proposed this general purpose machine family, that time the initial configuration is N1. Okay, that is the first generation, and if you have a balance of compute and memory and the network resources, then you have to opt for N1. In the second generation, they have more optimized, like they are improved and more performance, and they're providing more efficiency for a wide range of variety workloads. Okay, that time you have to opt for N2. Okay, and then if you are going to if you are looking for a good price and bandwidth is very high intensive workloads, if you are running, then go for N2D and E2. This is cost optimized for general purpose workloads with a reliable performance at a lower cost. The main intention at this point of time is that we have to when we are opting for any kind of machine family, we just have to choose a low. I mean, it is a what our company purpose or whoever it may be developing the application. We just look for what we just look for lower cost and efficiency is more, and the cost should be optimized. These kind of features we are going to look, right. So at that time you have to choose for a E2. Okay, based on your requirement you have to opt for a different kind of machine family. So here compute optimized. Here compute optimized means when you have a gaming applications, there are a lot of um, we have a lot of graphics will be there, movements will be there. So at that time general purpose won't be enough for that type of operations. Okay, so that time if you are trying to create a virtual machine, you have to opt for compute optimized like C2 and C2D. Okay, C2D, these kind of machine family you have to choose. And then if you have memory optimized, when it comes, if you have large databases and in-memory databases kind of applications, if you have, then you have to deploy these into the virtual machines, then you opt for a memory optimized. Here see M1, M2, M3, these are generations. Okay, and uh, all are same. Like in one we have basic features, and they are going to for when it comes to M2, whatever the drawbacks or flaws will be there in the M1, that they are going to rectify, and then they introduce the next generation. The same way M3 as well. Okay. So and then next is accelerate optimized. Here we have as of now A2 is there. I will show you the Google Cloud documentation part also, what kind of versions are there for each machine family as well. Okay. Now we see the conclusion in single line. If we can say, when you are performing a balance of resources, or if you are creating a virtual machine for dev or reg or UAT, these kind of environments, if you are creating, just choose for general purpose machine family. Okay. And then if you have a heavy task, compute heavy task, or kind of gaming applications, if you are performing, opt for compute optimized. If you have in-memory databases or large memory databases, if you have, then opt for memory optimized. Okay. And then if you have any kind of applications and you are creating VM instance for AI or ML related applications, then opt for accelerate optimized. So the main ultimate aim is select the right machine family based on your workload requirements. Okay. So here now if you see machine families, under when we are creating a machine family, in when we are creating a virtual machine, so we are choosing a machine family and machine type. What is machine type? Machine type is mainly it is a what I'll show you just how the machine family looks like. Okay. See, this is the machine family. Machine family is arrangement of each machine machine type is arrangement of each machine type provides set of resources for your compute instance, such as virtual CPUs, memory, disk, and GPUs. How many disks are there, and how many virtual CPUs are there, and how much of memory is there. Okay, these all in single series we are going to show. That is called a machine type. Okay, you see these are the predefined machine types they have created here. If the predefined machine types are not enough for your requirement, you have to opt for you have to choose a customized machine configurations. Okay. See here, this is the example here. C3 standard 22. What is here? 22 means 22 virtual CPUs, and standard is the machine type. It also has a 88 GB of memory. Okay. Under C3, how much of memory they are going to provide. So this is the main theme of machine type and machine family. I'll just show you when we are creating a virtual machine, how to select the machine type and machine configuration. Okay. See here, when you click on this virtual machine, we have just these are the basics I've already explained in the previous video. If you come to the machine configuration, we have these different types of machine configurations are there. I just explained the four types of machine configuration. Here one more new thing is storage optimized as well. Okay. You see general purpose, computer optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized. Okay. Machine types are storage intensive workloads like horizontal scale out database, horizontal, and if you want to scale out your databases, that time you just opt for a storage optimized. Okay. Here we have a series called Jet3. You need to select here Jet3 isn't available in US West 4 region. So they just given a few zones which are available this series. Okay. Based on that, you need to select. GPUs means accelerate optimized. I just shown you, right? That is this one. Okay. When you have AI or ML related, then you have to opt for this one. Okay. See here we have C3, C4, N4, N2, E2. Based on the series you are selecting, your cost will get vary. Okay. See here this cost $150, and N1 if you are selecting, this will cost $28. Here it will show you how many CPUs and how much of memory it has. Okay, this all based on this you need to select. Then when you come down little while, see here machine type. Machine type is arrangement of this machine configuration and what type of machine it is, standard, or high memory or shared core. Okay, based on that you need to select, and here how many CPUs, how much of memory it is providing. If your application is not suitable for this existing predefined machine types, you just opt for a custom custom machine type. Based on this, here you need to select your cores and memory. Okay, so based on that, here even cost also will get vary. Okay, you have to choose the right machine family and machine type for your right requirement, okay, for your workloads. I hope you understood well about this topic. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.